Hi, Carol here from Tiny Space Health again, and we are going to do a floor workout for the legs today to music, because I just love doing stuff to music. Okay, so over you go. And ready please, Mr. Music. Gonna work the glutes first, arms here. Get ready. I'm getting ready. I like to do it to the music. So flex this foot. Okay, we're gonna lift it up. Keep it bent. Up, 2, down, 2. So keep the abs braced. Heel goes up towards the ceiling. Can we do singles? We can. Up and down. Up and down. Just remember, you're not coming right up. We're just going about as high as the back. Okay, hold it up. Little ones, halfway. Keep the abs braced. Head down. Okay, little break. Because I'm nice to you. Ready? Flex the foot, other side. Up for 2. Up, 2. Down, 2. So we're not going to stay on one leg for too long, but we're going to work them. Up, 2. So make sure you're on the second leg. So it's like I'm pushing the roof up. Yeah? Nearly there. We got some singles. Push it up. Up and down. So just remember, not too high with the leg. We're protecting our back. Yeah? So what do we do? Top half. And we smile. Little top half ones. Okay, little stretch. Not for too long. Okay, back to the first leg. Legs out. In, out. In, out. Changing it. In, out, down, up. In, out, down, and up. Legs should not go higher than where your back is, okay? Stay here. Stay here, down and up. Abs braced. Really working those glutes. This is so old-fashioned, isn't it? Okay, other leg. In, out, in, out. Can you see my leg alright? Yep. My director's saying that, yeah? In, out, out. Okay, little change. Down, up, in, out. Down, up, in, out. Hold it out. Down and up. I don't know about you, I'm feeling it. Let's go 4, 3, 2, and 1. Little stretch. Okay. Good. Side leg. Come with me. Come down to the floor. One long line. Up 2. Down 2. Up 2. Down 2. Just make sure your hip doesn't fall back. You don't want to be doing this. No, 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 no. One line. Up 2. Down 2. I like the pointy and the flexy thing. I just can't help myself. I like pointy flexy. Let's hold it up. Let's hold it up. Little ones. This is to help keep you balanced. Keep your body one long line. And we're working these ones. If you hadn't guessed. Okay, hard one. Point it. Circle. circle, circle, just little circles. Change direction, go back. Okay, here, hold it. Can you do it? Can you balance? Yeah, you can be there, you can be there, you can be there, you can be there. I like that one. It sort of feels like I'm such a show off. You can do whatever you like. Okay, let's swap over sides. You can just roll over if you want. Rolling over is fine. Okay, up, 2, down 2. Remember your body's one line. 2, down, 2. So, point it, flex it. What are we doing? We're staying up the top and we're here. Just watch the hip. Make sure this is nice and even, not coming back. Flex the foot, working here. The fun bit, point the toe, circle, 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 other way, other way, other way. I can tell you're enjoying it. Hold it here. Lift those legs up, squeeze it. It's a bit of a balance as well. Keep it like this, like that. Ooh, try to keep your balance. If you find it too hard, just put your hand there. No worries. Okay, here we go. Legs here, up 2. So, gonna work the inner thigh. I'm on my elbow. This leg is quite a way forward. Okay, it's not down here, but we got it forward. And top half, hold. Little ones. Are you making it happen? Making a bit of pain in the inner thigh happening. I'm staying at the top, I'm pointing it. Why? I don't know. Just to say, hey, I'm doing something different. I don't know. We want to work with intensity, don't we? Flex the foot, go up 2, down 2, up 2, down 2. Okay, let's just swap it over other side, up 2. Hey, how quick was that? So that was a sneaky one on my butt. So it's up 2, this leg's bent, up 2. Keep it flexed, yeah? Down 2, working the inner thigh. And 2 more, yeah. What are we doing? Top half, go, top half. Top half, little ones. I don't know what to say other than ow. We're going to do some more. We're pointing, point. Staying with it, working here. Should be feeling it. Yes. Feeling it. Good, good, good. Okay, excellent. Okay, just lie down. I'm going to go here. Still working the glutes, back to the glutes. Hands here at your side. And we're going to roll through the spine, coming up to the top of the glute bridge. Are we good? Down for 2, down 2. Little half ones, okay? Just coming halfway down and up. Down 2, up 2. We're not really going to get much more difficult than that, okay? Just staying it down 2. Squeeze it up. Up 2. Try to always look straight up when you're doing this. Try not to look sideways. Okay, slow it down. 3, 2, 1, and push. 3, 2, 1, push it up. I don't like these ones. I'm trying to smile, but what can I do? Okay, stay with that. Down, 2, 3, and up. Really squeeze the glutes, yeah? Come on. Down, 2, 3, and up. Hold, 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 hold. it. Squeeze it in, squeeze it in, squeeze it in. Okay, come down. Oh, okay. Okay, just gonna do a tiny bit more. Back to here. Ready? Hold it. In and out. In. Just to finish, just to finish. In, push, in, push. Why? Because we can. That's why. Because we're going to finish it off. Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold. Hold. Head, optional. Okay. Oh, come on, squeeze it. Squeeze it, squeeze it, squeeze it, squeeze it. Yes. Here we go. Other side. Go. Out. In. Out. Really flexing that foot. Pushing the wall away. Not using momentum. No. Muscle strength. Controlling it. Okay. 8 more. 8. 7. 6. 5. Nearly there. Go. 4. Come on. Push it. How many more? 2? Yeah. Hold, 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 hold. Hold it, squeeze. Smile. 4, 3, squeeze it, squeeze it. I lost count. How about 4 more? Yeah. 4, 3, 2. I didn't lose count. I just wanted to do a bit more. Okay, stretch it out. Well done. Stretch it out. Child's pose. Okay, excellent work. Excellent work. Well done. Thanks for joining me. Have a bit of a stretch at the end. Shall I do a bit of a stretch? What do you think, Director? A little bit of a stretch. She's saying do a bit of a stretch. Okay, we're going to just stretch out thighs. You pull it in. So knees close together. Yeah, pull it in. Okay, so you can just roll over and do the other side. Just roll up yourself. I'm just going this way, so I'm going to look at you. Pull it in. Okay, and the only other one, I think, really important one to do, just cross it across, hands through the window, and come back. So we really need to stretch our glutes, okay? Really important. Okay, if that's a bit hard for you, just, grab it here, wherever, or just have it there. Should fill it in there, on the other side. Yeah, you can always be there, if you want. Okay, let's go. Other side, cross it across. Hands through the window, pull it in. Flex the foot. Oh, this is such a cool track. Yeah. Okay, that'll do us for today. Hey, thanks for joining me and catch you next time. See you, take care of yourself, bye.